The bird of Hermes is my name. Eat my wings to keep me tame. From the body's blood is shed. Soon the ghouls become undead. The bird of Hermes comes soon, not morning, evening, or afternoon. The bird of Hermes feeds on fright. Soon blood shall stain the night. The bird of Hermes will devour his enemies at midnight hour. The bird of Hermes is my name. Eat my wings to keep me tame. The night shall soon be stained with red. You and your army lay bleeding and dead. Your bodies shall rise soon and join the bird's platoon. You shall learn to live in night. You ghouls are made to fight. The stench of blood is ever sour. The bird's armies shall cower. The bird of Hermes is my name. Eat my wings to keep me tame.